Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression, which is -2 plus 2 times 5 divided by 2. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more video. So firstly, I can write this fraction in this form, parentheses -2 plus 2 times 5 divided by 2. Okay guys, now in next step, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly I can solve parentheses. -2 plus 2 times 5 equal to 10 divided by 2. Now again -2 plus 10 equal to 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. So the final answer of this expression is just 4. Thanks a lot.